Welcome, neighbor. I'm Carla Gilkerson with First Team Real Estate, and it is my delight to present this single-story ranch home here in Fullerton. We're in the Raymond Hills community on Harmony Lane. Wait until we step inside. You'll be singing its praises too. With the open floor plan and all the sophisticated upgrades, it is my delight to show you around. Come, enjoy. This home is sophisticated, timeless, and very inviting. With the dual French doors that open outside to the pergola structure that covers you, the backyard is lush, an oasis for your family to enjoy. Thanks for stopping by my property today on Harmony Lane. Carla Gilkerson, your neighbor and realtor.